Hello, for those of you who don't know, I am Takesha the coach. I specialize in credit, wealth, and financial freedom. And one of my specialties is business credit. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to get up to 20K in business credit by being a new business owner. That this is your first year of business. You done been in business about 6 months. You got your business structured, and now you want to start getting credit and funding for your business so you can use OPM, which is other people's money, in case you didn't know that. So if you haven't watched my first video, stop now and go back and watch my business credit structuring video. I think it's titled Business Structuring. Watch that video. Make sure your business is structured correctly so you can qualify in the future or now, if you decide to go ahead and do that, for business high limit credit cards and business funding. So make sure you got everything in place. The video prior to this shows you how to set that up. It comes with a free template that you have to just click into your email to get that email to you so you can, get the wording and everything together with that. So once it is structured correctly, you have been in business for at least 6 months. So say if you haven't even been building business credit for 6 months, that is fine. As long as you've been in business for at least 6 months and your business is structured correctly, like I showed you on the previous video, you can go ahead and start getting high limit credit cards and funding if you choose to do so. So what I'm going to do is show you how to put in an application to get you approved for that 20K. This is CapitalOnTap. If you never heard of them, go ahead and take a look at them, write this website down, share it with your friends. CapitalOnTap is a business credit card I recommend for all business owners. The qualification is decent personal credit, and you've been in business for at least 6 months and your business is structured correctly. So don't let the word credit, personal credit scare you. It's not looking for a certain credit score. You can have a 600, 650, or a 620 and get approved for this card. They want to look at your personal credit, and it's not a hard pull, by the way. It's a soft pull. They want to look at your personal credit and just see if you're going to pay them back. Like a mirror. Like, let's see what she's got going on over here before we can trust her to get this over here. So once you have those 3 things aligned, your personal credit is decent, you've been in business at least 6 months, your business credit is structured correctly, your business, not business credit, is structured correctly, come on over to CapitalOnTap and apply for a business credit card. So when you get to the website, it's going to look like this. Well, before this is said apply, you clicked apply. I got a little thing is already pre-filled out, so I can go over that with you. It's not real information. It's falsified information, just so I can show you what to do. So whether it's a corporation or LLC, you decide. You should know this information, by the way. So I put LLC, for example, and I put my business name, SKC Global Logistics, doing business as SKC Global Logistics. Now, doing business as is if your business is named this, but you also do business as this name. So say if it was SKC Global Logistics, and I also do business as just SKC Global. They want to know that. And then you'll put your business EIN here. And then right here, the drop down, you see the minimum is 6 to 12 months. That's why I say must have been in business for at least 6 months. And you'll pick this right here. It says under 6 months. Now, there are certain circumstances where people under 6 months have been approved. I'm just letting you know for more guaranteed results, I recommend at least 6 months. Now, don't let that scare you thinking, I've only been in business 3 months. Your personal credit is decent, your business is structured correctly, give it a try. It's like under 6 months. But I recommend this one. And then you'll pick your monthly revenue. Just say you say, hey, my business is not really making no money right now. Okay, how much do you see your business making? Once your business pick up with what you do, how much you see your business gross in a month, okay? And right here, most people pick anywhere between 5,000 to 9,000 up in that nature. So I put that number in here. My business phone number, pick business address. Now you see this is red because it wants to find it. So you'll click on find. For it to find your address, you select that. Website is optional. You'll pick the industry type, which is transportation for this one. Now right here, a lot of people ask me about this. So it's asking you every month, do you want to pay the full balance, which I do not recommend, or do you want to pay 10% of your balance? So say if you got a $20,000 card, right? 20,000 card, and you have to pay 10% of that balance. Say if you max out that card and you spend the whole 20, your monthly payment is going to be about $2,000 a month. But say if you spend about $5,000 times 10%, that's only $500. And what I recommend before you go to spending business credit, make sure you have a plan together where you're going to spend this to make this so you're able to pay the cards back off. Okay. And then you go down here, personal details, representative guarantor. Now with this card, don't let the word personal guarantor stop you from applying for this card. So how this card works, it does not show on your personal credit, but if you get delinquent, it will report to your personal. So a lot of cards you're going to see me go over, a lot of funding. It's going to be no PG, meaning that it's completely no PG, no personal information required. But this one does. And this is one of the cards where you're able to get early on in your business without having a lot of business credit, or no business credit, should I say. So you put your information in, address, phone number, your social. You put your email, you're going to create a password, you're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and you're going to continue. It is that simple. And don't worry if you get denied your first time. You're getting denied first time. Start establishing a little business credit. Get 1 to 2 trade lines. Come back within 45 to 60 days and apply again. I have seen that done where people have been denied once and then come back in about 2 months and get approved. This is how you get up to 20K in your business early on. Now, if you haven't done so, make sure you're following me on all social media platforms. The name is Takesha the Coach. I provide all type of free credit tips on credit, wealth, and financial freedom. The information is right here for you. Go ahead and watch a few of my YouTube videos. Try a few things out. If it works for you, leave a comment. And go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be notified first when I drop a video with some free content. Who doesn't love free information, right?